Let's open a Disney Lorcana, the first chapter pack. This is the base set of Disney Lorcana TCG and the one that I believe is going to hold the most value in the future. So that makes it even that much more important to pull an enchanted from this set. Can't beat the first editions. Let's see if we can do it. Dinglehopper, Stolen Schmittner, Aurora, Tangle, Stitch, Goons, Shield of Virtue, Ursula's Cauldron, Tamatoa, Captain Hook, Just in Time, White Rabbit's Pocket Watch. Time is running out for us to pull an enchanted on the first chapter. Like and subscribe for more.